Hey guys, Bless Friday here. So recently I've been looking for a new saddlebag to replace my old one. And I came across the Viking Military Saddlebags. Looks like this. And when you get it from the mail, it actually comes in pair. Also, it has its own mounting brackets, so you don't have to make your own. So this is what it looks like mounted on the bike. If you guys notice, I actually didn't use the mount that came with the saddlebags. I used my old one from my old saddlebag just because of the location of where it was mounted, kind of like that. Also, if you guys see that I only use the left side saddlebag, I'm not a fan of using both sides. Another thing I like about this bag is it comes in not pre-drilled. So what that means is you can actually mount it the way you want it. You can add how many mounting points you want. So it's up to you. You can tilt it a little bit to the left, you can tilt it a little bit to the right, you can make it more straight. So it's up to you. So like I said earlier, once you purchase the bags, it actually comes in with the mounting brackets, so you don't have to worry about how to mount the bags to your bike. One cool feature of this bag is actually this front pocket. It's large enough to put your keys, wallet, or your cell phone in there. Bag so secure, I was having trouble opening the lid with one hand. I have to stop the video and open it using by two hands. So now that it's open, inside we can actually find a sunglasses case or holder. So you can put your sunglasses or your prescription glasses in there. You can actually put it inside the bag, or you can hang it on the MOLLE webbing on the side of the bag. It's up to you. It also comes with this pocket, removable pocket, which what I use for is I put my paperwork in there, like my insurance card, registration. For me, the best feature of this bag is this lock. I really like this lock. It gives me peace of mind that my things are locked up in the bag and nobody can just open the flap of the bag and they can take whatever they want. Just give me another peace of mind. So yeah, I mean, so far so good. I like the bag. I like the way it looks, the size of it. So yeah, you guys have a blessed day and thanks for watching.